waste time. I'll never be this young.
So this
I'll
is
never be this
this is all the
young
water from the cyclone.
again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out.
Welcome back to another episode, everyone. We are at Coral Bay in WA, and looks pretty damn good.
A little bit windy.
And it's very windy.
Maybe a bit more than a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit more than a little bit. That means it's a lot.
I'm never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again.
Show you around the campsite a bit. Tourist park.
Born to be this high, my friend. Won't you come up here to my altitude, to my altitude? Yeah, you. 'Cause I always liked you. I wanna share this view. I wanna share this view with.
On the top of the ridge up there, there's different kind of chalets, self-contained. Here's the front ocean view site. Funny. We're just hiding behind the car here, but yeah, it's blown straight in. But yeah, it's really windy, so it's not fun, but we're dealing with it. Yeah, so yeah, cooking dinner, probably early night tonight, and yeah, get up tomorrow and go exploring, see what we can get up to. Right on, catch ya. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. So, what was your experience like last night?
Amazing.
Asleep.
I didn't hear a thing.
So, when we were at Kalbarri,
No,
not
Monkey Mia.
Kalbarri, Monkey Mia, it was really windy,
So windy.
and these tents flap around a lot, so it's very noisy. Last night it was like 35k winds, gusting up to 50k winds, and I had about 3 hours sleep.
And that was me the night before.
Yeah, so because I work on the mines, I had some earplugs in my bag, so I gave them to my daughter, and she had a good night's sleep.
Very good.
Thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, and we'll get you on the next video.
See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young